In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Photoshop temporary files from your disk easily and safely. Whether you're running out of storage space, noticing Photoshop slowing down, or you just want to clean up junk files that build up over time, this simple, step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Windows computer and make sure Photoshop is completely closed. This is important because Photoshop temp files can't always be removed while the app is running. Once that's done, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run menu, which is where we'll access hidden temporary files, so make sure you follow along carefully. Next, inside the Run box, type %temp% and then click OK. As soon as you do that, Windows will open a folder that's filled with temporary files. These files are created by different programs, including Adobe Photoshop, and over time they can take up a lot of unnecessary space on your disk. You'll now see a long list of files and folders. Go ahead and press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything in this folder. After that, press the Delete key. Don't worry if Windows shows a message saying some files can't be deleted. This usually happens because those files are currently in use by the system, and it's completely safe to click Skip and move on. Once you've completed these steps, Windows will clear out most of the junk and temporary files, including Photoshop temp files that were silently eating up your storage. After that, you should notice more free disk space and, in many cases, smoother performance when using Photoshop again. It's also a good idea to restart your computer afterward, just to make sure everything refreshes properly and runs smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to delete Photoshop temporary files from your disk easily and keep your system clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.